Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 13th of March today, Monday, and in our today's review, first we will discuss one of the macro events that impacted the cryptocurrency markets decline last week, thus the Silvergate Capital's liquidation, and then we will get to technical picture of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we will start with an article by Sebastian Seligam. And first some news, and we'll discuss the Silvergate crash. Since the beginning of this year, all reports about the Silvergate Bank have been based only on negative information, the colossal losses in the last quarter of the last year, numerous lawsuits from investors, investigation by US Department of Justice, the loss of key partners, and a drop in stock prices finally led to what was inevitable. And the bank announced its liquidation on Wednesday, and it should be said that right after New York's Signature Bank, the company was the second largest institution of this type for entities from the cryptocurrency sector. And up to a point, its biggest client was FTX Exchange, which collapsed unexpectedly last November. And this event greatly damaged the image of the industry in the media and led to the loss of investors' confidence in and trust institutions. And in light of recent industry and regulatory developments, Silvergate believes that an orderly liquidation of the bank's operation and voluntary liquidation of the banks is the best way out. The bank announced that all customers' deposits will be fully repaid, and this is a key element of their planned liquidation. However, the company did not explain how it intends to settle accounts with investors. Furthermore, the announcement of Silvergate liquidation states that all other escrow services remain active, and the company will contact customers as needed as a result of changes in this matter. Okay, and now let's get to technical picture, and we'll start with Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the chart. So the article was written on Friday. The information was on the end of last trading week, and the Bitcoin pair has made another swing low in the last 24 hours as the bears broken below the key technical support seen at the level of 21,429. The new low was made at the level of 19,800. And the intraday technical resistance is seen at the level of 21,429. The negative bearish divergence on the daily time frame chart between the price and the momentum oscillator supports the bearish outlook for Bitcoin in the coming days. However, Sebastian says the extremely oversold market conditions might indicate a possibility of a bounce towards the technical resistance in order to test it, and the next target for bears is seen at the level of 18,360. And so despite the recent rally, the downtrend on the 4-hour daily and weekly time frames continues without any indication of a possible trend termination or reversal. So far, every bounce and attempt to rally is being used to sell Bitcoin for a better price for market participants, Sebastian thinks. So the bearish pressure is still high. and the game-changing level for bulls is located at 25,442, and it must be clearly violated for a valid breakout in the longer term. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. And what do we see? Bitcoin went let's say sharply up. It was trading at the time of Friday. It was trading below 20,000, and right in the end of Friday it went up from the points below 20,000 up to 20,500, and during all the weekend it was trading about this level, 20,500, 600, and at the end of yesterday it again went up and reached even 22,000, and it opened today at the point 22,119, and now it is trading at 22,442. So what does this mean? Well, probably according to Sebastian, this is the bulls try to bounce towards technical resistance in order to test it, or probably the trend changed and is changed to bullish now. Who knows? But as far as we see, Bitcoin is again above 22,000. Such a sharp rise. And now let's say a couple of words about Ethereum and get to another article also by Sebastian Seligam. And again, let's have a look at the chart. So the bears on the Ethereum market has made the new local low at the level of 1,391 after they broke below the technical support seen at 1,487. The information is also at Friday, at the end of last trading week. So a sustained breakout below the level of 1,487 would change the midterm outlook to bearish, so please keep an eye on this point. Any violation of this level would likely extend the drop towards 1,345, which is the next technical support for bulls. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. And of course, we see the same trajectory. During all the weekend, Ethereum was trading about 1,440, 60, 70. And at the end of yesterday, it went sharply up above 1,530, 40. And it opened today at the point 1,588, and now it is trading at the point 1,603. It broke all the points Sebastian mentioned, the technical support, and even it went much higher. We don't know what does this mean. Probably just a bounce, probably another bullish trend, who knows. Well, this is all for today. We'll see each other in our next review tomorrow. Don't miss our daily reviews and our news reports, and see you soon. Goodbye.